How to root any Android device phone. First of all, I will check my device rooted or non-rooted. So download it now, root checker basic. Verify root click now, my device sorry root access not properly installed on this device. Follow now my all step. That mean any device root 100% working my tricks and tips. Now follow. First of all, are you download Magisk Manager latest version. I already downloaded Magisk Manager. Install now. I have already installed it. Check now. My Magisk already installed. Then root permission not granted. So next step, download now SuperSU apps. Download now and install. I will install, and please the subscribe button, hit the notification button all. Then open it and start. Pop-up message show now SuperSU root undetected. Now next step follow. Install now Mtkeasysu. This is method working only MTK processor and old device. Latest device not working. This is method. Okay. I will open it root booster. Root booster download now. Play Store search root booster. I will open. Then of course internet connection on and active. Click now allow. Then wait some time. Okay, success task skin to continue. Root booster install success. Then open now Mtkeasysu. Then wait. First of all, open now settings. Click now about and 5 time version. Click now. Enable developer opening. I open it developer setting and OEM unlock enable and USB debugging enable. Then Mtkeasysu open and click now hash icon and sometime wait and SuperSU permission granted your Magisk Manager. My device root successfully. I will check. Open root checker basic. Then verify root click now. Congratulations, root access properly installed on this device. Boom. My device root successfully. And I open it Magisk Manager. Look and see. My Magisk Manager have successfully installed it and module enable. Home SuperSU enable. Then this is method working only old device then MTK processor. Till then take care. Tata. Bye bye.